Muhammad Adeleke, as already know, the democratizer of recharge and bill payment business, the icon behind daily money system revolution. Of course, it's just also a news for you that I've done over $1 million in this business, and in the year 2021, my target is actually very crazy. My target is to do $20 million to enable you to also tap more from this industry. I'll be sharing a video with you that talks more about the entire package, but of course it's tagged daily money system, DMS, fast lane to high income, earn while you earn program. It's actually a complete framework where you have access to more information that enable you make money from your portal, get more clients, get more vendor, systematic way to also get you to become a portal owner through you, and also done for you marketing resources to push your portal to get people to become portal owner. And of course, you also get done for you automated webinar, including sales funnel with that has more than 50 follow-up email. You also have fast lane client getting kit. This kit is about 30 to 90 days template. That template you can use from within 30 to 90 days to push your portal. It contains daily actions, message to send on WhatsApp, message to send on Instagram, message to use to push on Facebook, message to use as email script, what to use as phone call script, among others. They of course also have access to done for you automated funnel, webinar funnel and sales funnel that enable you get people to become portal owner, get people to become vendor, and also to become smart earner. And of course, for those people that saw your special link, which is affiliate link for getting portal owner, that could not afford to become portal owner, or they want to test run, they can become a vendor or become a smart earner, which is premium earner, while they try to understand the business or save money to become a portal owner. Of course, you also is about earn while you learn program, which means you are also going to get access to premium internet marketing training, Facebook marketing, YouTube marketing, Google display, Instagram marketing, and beyond. Then of course, you are going to get access to, you have access to periodic live support and also continuous support to WhatsApp, access to a deeper level of coaching, which we call inner circle, and also access to the fast lane to high income profit program. And also of course, you also have access to portal setup, affiliate commission program. So watch out for more details accordingly. Okay, the key thing, the core of this program is to enable us further squeeze out the juice, further leverage on the money making angle of this business. What are the money making angle? Transactional income, because this business actually have 3 streams of income. Transactional income, which is transactions your clients, your smart earner, and enterprise earner, just on your platform. Enterprise earner are people that upgrade to become a vendor or sign up as a vendor. While smart earner are people that use your service without paying any money before they register. So some of them can either upgrade to become a vendor later or even become a portal owner. While some people can sign up to become a vendor directly. And then the third money making angle is for people that become a portal owner through you. Of course, for the transactional income, each time anybody recharges your platform, you'll be getting cash back on each transaction. That is both smart earner and enterprise earner. While for enterprise earner, they pay to become a vendor, and as you have already been making money from vendor upgrade, you charge between 10,000 to 50K for people to become a vendor. But of course, sometimes you can decide to do promo. But if you want to do promo, let's say you want to do promo now for 10K. You tell your audience it's for 30K or it's for 50K, but you're running promo now. If they key in now, they will save cost. Let's assume you're able to get like 10 vendors, let's say 5 vendors per week, 5 vendors per day or per week, depending on how you can push. So let's assume it's 5 vendors per day. That is 50K per day. Then in a week, it means you're going to be getting like 25 vendors per week. Let's even assume what you can only get per week is just 10, and you're collecting 10,000 naira per week. That is 100K. It means in a month, that is about 400,000 naira pure profit for people that become a vendor. Then of course in a year, 400 times 12, that is about 2.5 million naira. Now imagine if you can now do 20 per week or 25 per week. It's an outstanding way of making money. And of course, per transaction, it depends. Maybe in the beginning you can be doing making like 3k or 4k as your cashback. While some people will do as low as 1,000 naira as cashback, depending on how the level of traffic you push. While we have some people that are doing 10k per day as their commission. So let's assume you are doing like 5k in the beginning per day. 5k times 30, that's like 150k. This one is pure profit, not in revenue, as in cashback that you earn. You are not only earning money, your own vendor also make any money. Your smart earner, they are using it for personal purpose and saving cost. While those that are enterprising enough are also reselling. Because even this smart earner is for two options. Either your clients use it as for personal purpose, or they upgrade to become, or they use it, or they resell. While of course for portal setup, we can be collecting as high as 500k as commission per week for portal setup. You can be collecting as high as 500k commission per week from people that became a portal owner too, because you are going to be getting up to 30% commission from the setup fee. So let's assume you are able to get you are able to even do like 1 million naira per week from portal setup, or 1 million naira per month as commission for portal setup. It means in a year that is about 12 million naira. And the webinar you are going to be having access to, the fund you are going to be having access to, has done over 100 million. Yes, has delivered over 100 million. Some of the webinar, within 2 hours of webinar, in a single webinar, we do 6 million. That is about 8 people pay for webinar, for setup during the webinar, while in some cases 10 people pay while the webinar is ongoing. But of course, this webinar version I'm going to be setting up for you will be automated. Then of course, for some of them that can not afford to become a portal owner, or they are not yet ready to become a portal owner, they can always become a vendor or a smart earner. Then one key thing about the thing is that you are earning money from all this. You are also learning the art of internet marketing, because once we give you done-for-you marketing resources, you understand how to create done-for-you marketing resources. We're also going to give you done-for-you sales funnel. You understand how sales funnel is created, how it is being used, and more importantly, you'll be having access to digital marketing training, which include Facebook, Google, and YouTube, among other internet marketing related training, which means you can still leverage on this to push any other project or business you have. Then in the future, we are going to be adding more products you are going to be pushing. But for now, this one is currently focusing on how you can make money from your existing investment, which is recharge and bill payment portal business. I'm going to be sending you more information, which is going to include your own customized link for getting people to become portal owner, your more videos on digital marketing, and also follow-up messages, marketing templates you can use to follow up with, to get people to become your clients. Some of them you use it on WhatsApp, some of them use it as SMS, some of them use it as email script, some of them use it as a phone call script, some of them you use it as a Twitter post, some of them Instagram post, some of them as Facebook post. All these ones are what are going to use for like 30 to 90 days. Then you're also going to get access to email series you can use to push your portal that you can send via bulk email. You can even use your Gmail, like Gmail, you can send 100 email per day. You can also use an autoresponder. You're also going to have access to premium Facebook and YouTube marketing course. But of course, with this video I told you I'm going to share with you, get more details from the video, and I'm also going to send more details on your dedicated WhatsApp group. Thank you.